In this video, I'm going to show you how to waterproof your basement walls with FLEX SEAL. I'm going to be using FLEX SEAL Liquid Max, which is basically FLEX SEAL liquid in a giant 2.5 gallon bucket, which is perfect for a project like this. And I'm going to be using some Flex Shop. So I want to use this FLEX SEAL liquid because it's thicker than paint and it'll fill in all the cracks and crevices and pinholes. It'll seal out all the air, water, and moisture, and it's chemical and mildew resistant, which is perfect for a basement.